my friends. This is Lindsay, and I am back with another daily work from home job lead for you. I'm going to try to keep this job lead as short, sweet, and to the point as possible. So the links to this page, if you want to put that application in, is linked directly in the YouTube description box below this video. I do ask that if you enjoy job leads like this, let me know by giving me that direct feedback. Give this video a thumbs up like button. Of course, if you know somebody who could benefit from this, share with them, share with all your friends and family, because we all want to work from home, living our happiest, healthiest life. Now, I know a lot of you from the comments want healthcare, but you want like non-phone, non-customer service, data entry type jobs in healthcare. That is what I have today. United Health Group, also known as the insurance company of United Healthcare, they have a claim quality audit representative, and it says this is a remote position. Now, the claim quality audit representative is going to review and audit claims in their IKA system for accuracy and appropriateness in regards to data entry of the member information, the provider information, and the claims coding. Now, you're going to be reviewing these claims or auditing them, making sure all this information is complete in the system. If not, you're going to be doing the data entry to make sure the claims information gets in there. So you're going to review claims for data entry accuracy, making sure there's no errors. You're going to understand, interpret, and apply any business policies related to claims auditing and data entry. You'll analyze the data to identify any error trends and report those trends up. You will have to maintain current knowledge of CMS and HIPAA guidelines. Since this is a healthcare, you're going to have to make sure you are in compliance with all of those. So straight data entry and auditing or reviewing claims. That is it, non-phone. Now, as far as what they're requiring, just a high school diploma or GED, no college degree. They do want somebody who has 2 years of healthcare claims processing experience, someone who knows something about medical terminology like CPT codes, ICD-10 codes, somebody who is familiar with CMS 1500 forms, and somebody who can be organized. And of course, you've got to be able to be a multitasker. Now, this position pays fairly well. Of course, pay is going to be dependent on your location and experience, but pay goes anywhere from $18.80 an hour all the way up to $36.78 an hour. So if you do put an application in and get hired, please make sure you're always negotiating that salary. All right, if you've made it to the end of this video, I want to say thank you so much for watching and supporting me. As always, please feel free to leave in the comments anything specific that you're looking for. I do read those and keep that in mind. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up like button, share with all your friends and family, and I'll be back really soon with more work from home job leads just for you.